What are you doing? Come here. Wait a minute. Come here. Hey everybody, I'm Jeff Brokaw. I'm the founder of the Forestry Forum, which is the largest gathering of sawmillers, loggers, landowners, foresters in the world. It was founded in 20. It was founded in 2000. So we've been around 23 years. What I'd like to do today is show you how I put a log on my 1986 Wood Miser sawmill. It's completely manual. The only thing powered on it is the head goes up and down and the feed goes forward. But if you want to turn a log or if you want to load a log, you got to do it by hand or have another machine to do it. Because, hey, what are you doing? So what I want to show you is how I get it set up, ready to saw, and put a log on it. And this is my log loader. It's homemade. It's a chunk of rope. If I can get it untied here. Stop the video! It's a hunk of rope, some straps, and a couple old hooks tied to the end. And I'll show you how that's used, but first I got to get the sawmill ready. I'm gonna call that good. Now, this cedar log is not all that heavy, but I'm getting old. 25 years of sitting in a saw booth in a chair, and then another 20 years running websites for forest product industry. And my back and a lot of my joints ain't what they used to be. So I try not to do things like pick up logs. So I'm going to show you how that little contraption gets that log on that mill without a lot of work. What are you doing, boy? Let's get this log out of our way. You won't be needing this. Mill hasn't run in a few days, and it was 26 this morning. So let's see what it takes to get it started. Go ahead, you go ahead and debark that. Pull that bark off there. This I hate. Okay, so I think that's an 8-foot cedar, and I think it'll reach between them bunks. Now this is still pretty manual here. You know what? We are gonna put it on these. That's not long enough. So I got a really sore hip this morning, so I'm a little slow. My mind is always a little slow, so. Okay, so what we have here is a rope with a loop, 2 lengths of straps with hooks. And what I do, these straps go over top, and I just find a place to hook them. Right there, I'll hook that one. This strap is going to go around here, and I'm going to hook it there. Let me look in this camera and see if it's pointed to where you can see everything. Let's move it a little bit. Let's move it back, actually. Where's my doggy? Hey, where's my puppy? Where's my puppy? So, we got those straight. Cedar! There's my my puppy. Okay. Now what I've done is I put that rope underneath that log. I'm going to put that up there where I can get to it from the other side. Now if that was a bigger log, a longer log, well, not necessarily longer, but bigger and heavier, I'd probably get my ATV and park it on this side and either use the ATV or the winch on the ATV. But this is all you got to do. Look at this. That's it. Oh wow, I think I'm going to be able to debark this one. So with a little contraption like that, and typically what I do is just get these out of my way. And drop it here. I'm going to move this one to the other bunk. There we go. Loaded up, ready to saw. I have loaded logs, I don't know the diameter, but this big by hand. You can do it using an ATV. It's a lot easier though. So that's called par buckling. You can use the same method to put a log up on a trailer with minimal equipment. Sometimes just an old back. If you're new to sawmilling, and I know there's a lot of people out there, I see them on Facebook, a lot of them have no idea. You get a chance, come to the Forestry Forum. We were built by people that were very experienced. I was a head sawyer for 25 years. We have foresters on there that have been foresters all their lives, and they're old like me. Loggers. We have just about anything you'd want to know about if you was a lover of trees. So, hope you learned something. I got to reteach myself all the time, so this is good practice. Have a good day. Oh, and there's a subscription button. Not sure how to get to it. And I think there's a bell. You're supposed to ring it, or you're supposed to click it. I doubt if it rings. And then that gets you, if I make another video, you know that. Hey buddy, come here. What do you got? Come here. Sit up. Oh! Are you watching? Are you watching it?